Hey peeps, it's Alice, and today, welcome back to another video. Today, playing some flood survival. I don't know where to go. Oh, yes I do. I'm just gonna go like that, stop that from falling. But it's falling, haha. That's actually good, guys. I won't be able to climb, will I? Nope. I knew it. It would be actually funny if I'd be able to climb like that. A few people survive. And getting hit. What are you doing? Where should I go next? I'm gonna go up here. Come on, is he a guest on this one? Nope. Do not fall down. Please don't. I don't think it is anyway, it's stable enough. Yes, I got on top, guys. No, guys. No, I literally jumped off at the wrong time. Because, like, I was trying to jump onto theirs and then it went very wrong. Radio hell, what the heck? I've been in this one, guys. It's not really good. I've been here. This bit always breaks. I knew it. Guys, I think I'm okay. Am I? Nope. I'm okay at the moment. Whoa! The kill side. No chance. I'm going from him. What? Did I just literally feel this? What? This guy's got no legs. Arch Park, I know where to go on this. Buddy. It's here. Watch this, guys. I'm just gonna wait. No, I'm going. Guys, I need help. No, I don't need help. Oh, so close, guys. Guys, she literally just fell and died. I don't need help because I'm sick at this game, yo. We're not sick. Oh, yo. Yo! Yay! I'm tiny like you. Hi. Hello. Hey, I'm tiny. I'm a baby. See, look, I'm a little baby. Oh, wow. Oh, no, I'm stuck. No. No, I'm not stuck, guys. I'm not being stupid. Oh. Guys, I've survived again, and then I need to reset my character so I can get a speed coil. Oh. I don't think It's a speaker animal, guys. I think it's just... No, it ain't, guys. Quick potion instead. It don't even make... Oh, yeah, it does, man. I'm fast now, guys. Woo! Wow, guys. Wow. And that's brother. Drink. I'm trying to drink it. It's not. Okay. Wow, guys, that died. You have that. Finally, I get to drink it again. Anyone else wants a few? I'm gonna go up here. Arch Park. No, you can go over here. But best place in a tsunami, a real tsunami in real life, a tsunami in real life would be like, get as high as you can. Like this. I don't know what happened there, but I just died then. I'll help him with it. Jump some. Here you go. Drink it. Drink it. Oh, she's drinking it. Look at you, you're drinking it. There you go. Done. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna go up here, guys. No, again, guys, I keep dying. Oh no. That's bad. Thank you, I keep drinking the mama. Oh, can I have the green balloon? It's best. Oh, it's 21 Robux. Wow. Wow. There's 21 Robux. Wow. 21. 21. Oh, you keep dying too, because you're so bad. Said I'm not recording. Well, I am. Look at that. See, YouTube wouldn't be watching me if I wasn't recording. Oh no! I can't say anything about it, guys. But look at that! It's a man with a sword. No hi, I don't need to say hi. It's bad. Probably. Nah, I don't need to say hi. I'm a YouTuber. YouTubers do not need to say hi to people. I'm back. I lost my balloon. Wow. 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 I don't know what happened, guys. Oh. Guys, it just something happened then. Oh, I'm dying. Wow. Good enough video, subscribe, like the video. Peace.